Hi everyone, this is Luis, the president of AIS, and this is a quick tutorial on how to get your computer set up for Python's workshop event on Friday. The first step is for you to download Python. So you're going to open this link that I will put in the description. You're going to go to the Python website and download the latest version of it. Whenever you download it, make sure that you check the box that says add python.x to path to make Python accessible from the command line. And that's step one. Step two, you will install these Python libraries that are on the screen. And you do that by typing this prompt on your computer's terminal or command prompt. I obviously use a Windows computer, but for MacBook users, it should be the same thing. Just go to your terminal and type this. After you've downloaded Python, it'll show something similar to this. As you can see, I put it here on top. It'll take a few minutes to download and install everything, but you should be good to go with that. And the rest will be with our guest, Markham Reed, director of the BAIS program. I'll see you on Friday.